Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angel Emirole. You can also call me Akeenzy. Today we are going to be making a very special snack. This is one of the snacks I loved when I was a kid. It's called coated peanuts. If today is the first time you're coming to my channel, you are welcome. Do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. The ingredients I'll be using are whole peeled groundnuts, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 raw eggs, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of grounded nutmeg, 1.5 tablespoons of powdered milk, 3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar. I will be adding the dry ingredients. I will start by adding my nutmeg, powdered milk into the flour, I'm adding baking powder now, some salt. Right now, I will start mixing the dry ingredients together. I will mix this thoroughly to make sure it combines adequately. I will set this aside. In an empty bowl, I will pour in the whole peeled groundnuts and set this aside. It's time to start mixing the wet ingredients. I will start by breaking my egg into another bowl. I'll be adding my sugar into this egg. Don't forget, this should be added into the egg and not inside the flour. I'll be adding my vanilla extract into the mixture. I will start by whisking the egg to mix this thoroughly. I want everything combined. So keep mixing. Make sure it combines well. I'm done with the egg mixture, so right now I'm going to bring the whole peeled groundnuts and the flour mixture to start the peanut process. I'm going to be scooping 1.5 tablespoons of the egg mixture and be spreading this on the peeled groundnuts. Don't forget, the maximum you can put in each step is 1.5 tablespoon. Do not put too much egg. Mix this together, mix it thoroughly, because this is your first step. Then I'm going to be spreading also the flour on top of the groundnuts. A little bit of flour. Then I'll start turning it. You turn, you spread, you turn, you spread. Make sure you keep turning and spreading until the peanut is hungry for more egg mixture. So you do the second step. Don't forget, 1.5 tablespoon is the highest you can put for each step. You spread the egg mixture and also spread the flour. Then you mix together, shake it well enough. Keep shaking them until it hungry for more egg mixture. So guys, comment below and tell me the method that works well for you, the method you love using for your peanuts. And also tell me how you enjoy your peanuts. Me, I enjoy my peanuts any time of the day with a very chilled drink. You should try this. So there comes the stage when the peanuts will start gumming together. So what I like to do is I separate them with my hands and start mixing them in. If there is no flour in my bowl, I will spread a little bit flour and mix them together. So keep mixing. Make sure you add your egg, add your flour at every stage. Make sure the flour and the egg, you add it moderately. As you can see, some have glued together, so I need to separate this. I will keep adding this until my egg mixture is finished and also my flour is finished. So I'm done with the addition of the egg mixture and the flour mixture. So this is ready for frying. Let's get it into the oil. In a moderate hot oil, I'm going to be putting in the peanuts. I'm going to be turning these peanuts every second. Do not leave it for some minutes before you turn, it may get burnt. So keep turning these peanuts every second until you get a golden brown color. Turn it steady, turn it all the time, do not stop until a golden brown color is achieved. My peanuts are golden brown now, and that means it is ready. So I'm going to be putting it into a sieve containing a paper to drain the oil. The peanuts are now done and they are sealed and well packaged to avoid any entrance of air. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.